Wake up! We're harvesting rice today.
I'm ready, Milo.
The machine is fine. Let's start.
Let's go, everyone!
Harvesting is so fast!
The rice is beautiful today.
Oh, the rear wheel seems a bit stuck.
It's okay. We'll go slower.
Oh no! We're stuck!
Don't worry. We'll think of something.
Everyone, get ready to push.
Together, we'll definitely get it out.
Push a little more.
Almost there!
It's out. We did it.
Awesome, everyone!
Our team is so good!
Team spirit is #1.
Let's rest a bit, then continue. Yes, we still have a lot of fun work to do. Shall we do one more round?
Of course! Just keep going!
This rhythm is perfect.
Can I help with something?
Hold the basket for me, please.
The rice harvest is complete!
Wonderful! The whole team did great.
I did it!
The whole team is amazing.
Next up, the strawberry garden. I've been looking forward to this part. These strawberries are so juicy today. Let's pick quickly to sell in time.
This basket is pretty heavy.
Yummy.
It looks like it's going to rain. Let's gather the rest quickly.
Follow me! Let's take shelter there!
Keep the strawberries dry, everyone. It's okay. It'll stop in a bit.
Thanks to you, I feel better. Let's go! It's beautiful and bright again!
Let's continue gathering. The strawberries are still as beautiful as new.
Time to take them to the market!
The stall looks delicious today. Customers will love it.
The strawberries are very sweet. Would you like to try?
Just one bite is enough to fall in love. We sold out so fast.
The whole team did great.
Time to bake a cake!
I like this part the most.
The cake is done.
It smells so good.
Everyone, please enjoy!
Hard work deserves a delicious treat.
The cake is absolutely wonderful.
Today has been so much fun!
Now to the pomegranate orchard.
Hope it's a good harvest today.
This year's fruits are so big.
I picked some lovely ones here. I'll pick the ones higher up. Be careful, Penny.
Oh, I'm stuck!
Don't worry, we're coming.
Grab my hand, Acorn.
I got it!
A little more, keep going. I'm up.
Thank you, everyone!
Are you okay, Acorn? I'm fine. Thanks to the whole team. The baskets are full. Then, let's get ready to sell.
Let's get to the market quickly.
Today's produce is beautiful. Arranging them nicely will make customers like them more.
What a great idea! Fresh pomegranates here, very sweet. These were just picked this morning.
Almost sold out. That was fast. Today was a big success.
The whole team is so good.
You did very well today. Thank you. I'm so happy. There's a new task tonight.
Get ready to light up the garden.
Tonight we have to light up the garden. Let's all do it together.
The power source is a bit weak.
I'll hold the light for you to see. This spot is loose here.
I'll tighten it and it'll be fine.
This bulb is fine.
Good. Let's try turning on the power.
Success!
The garden is sparkling.
This level is just right.
It's so beautiful. Now for the best part. Huh? What is it, Lumi?
Fireflies, so many of them. More beautiful than I imagined. Oh my, it's so beautiful.
It's like magic.
This moment is so memorable. I'll remember it forever.
They're so friendly.
They're incredibly cute.
Look, a special light circle for everyone. Absolutely beautiful, Lumi. Thank you, Lumi. Thank you, everyone.
Tonight is truly magical. Good night, little friends. See you another night.
What a wonderful night.
Tomorrow we'll have a new adventure.
Let's start harvesting potatoes, everyone.
Full of energy this morning.
The potatoes are growing so evenly.
Every tuber is firm.
The potatoes are so smooth this year.
Excellent quality.
This basket is too heavy.
Let me help you.
The potato part is done.
Now for the watermelons.
This one is firm.
It sounds so crisp.
This fruit is absolutely beautiful. I've put it safely in the basket. Oh, this one is strange.
It looks like a heart. Never seen anything so beautiful.
I'll keep it safe and sound.
Customers will surely love this special fruit.
We can sell it for a good price.
Today will surely be busy with customers.
With watermelons this beautiful, who wouldn't be charmed? Doesn't this look appealing? It's truly beautiful to look at.
The watermelon is very sweet. Try it.
We even have a special heart-shaped one.
Everyone who sees this will love it. It'll surely sell out fast.
We sold out, everyone!
A proud achievement. A proud achievement.
Working today was really fun. Our team gets along so well.
Ice cream. Shall we take a little break?
What a great idea!
I have to try strawberry ice cream right
Son!
Banana is my true love.
so delicious and refreshing.
I like mint flavor the most. How about we go home and make smoothies?
What a great idea!
Get ready to blend. I'll press the button for you. Isn't this glass pretty? Just looking at it makes me want to drink.
Cheers to a wonderful day!
Thank you for all the effort today.
It sounds like someone's coming.
Let me check.
Is that friend okay? Quick, bring them inside. It's okay, just a scratch.
Rest for a bit, friend.
Thank you all so much.
I'm happy as long as you're safe.
Be careful on your way.
I'll come back to visit. A long but beautiful day. Enjoying this moment feels so good.
Ready for some rest now.
Tomorrow, we'll try hard again. A clean house looks so pleasant.
Time to get ready for bed.
A little tidying up, and we're done.
Tomorrow will be neat again. The wind is quite strong tonight. Close the curtain and it'll be warm right away. Shall we read a bit before bed? I like gentle stories.
Once upon a time, there was a forest.
I'll light it up for easy reading.
So sleepy.
Probably from all the work today.
Everything is ready.
Time to get into bed. So warm.
That's the best way to sleep.
Good night, everyone. Thank you, Lumi.
Today was truly wonderful. Yes, I'm very happy.
The sound of the wind is so soothing.
It's like a lullaby. It's a lullaby. Tomorrow we'll surely have many more fun things to do.
I'm looking forward to it. Sleep tight, everyone.
Good night.
Thank you for a beautiful day.
Good night.
Goodbye. I'll rest too. A complete day. Good night to the whole world. See you tomorrow.